The first shipments of a third COVID vaccine are expected in New Mexico tomorrow.
And with more supply coming online, there are new indicators that more people are changing their minds to get the vaccine instead of the wait-and-see approach. News 13's Chris McKee is here this evening to explain.
The New Mexico Department of Health tells us tomorrow they're expected to get more than 17,000 doses of Johnson & Johnson's single-shot COVID vaccine. Now, this third option is expected to be a little less effective than Pfizer or Moderna's vaccine, but local doctors believe that the new option will still keep more people out of the hospitals.
What's most important to us as patients is the vaccine preventing us from getting so sick that we have to be hospitalized or so sick that we die. And for all of the vaccines, they are all 100% effective at preventing hospitalization and death.
Presbyterian's medical director, Dr. Denise Gonzalez, said that in a DOH town hall on Friday. The state's expected 17,200 doses of Johnson & Johnson are on the top of the 77,000 doses of Pfizer and Moderna's vaccine, which the state is getting this week. New Mexico's online vaccine dashboard shows the state is now fully vaccinated more than 211,000 people. Meanwhile, vaccine acceptance continues to grow. A new poll from the Kaiser Family Foundation shows the number of Americans who would wait and see before getting the vaccine is dropping from 31% in January to 22% in February, as people see that these vaccines are working with little to no side effects. And more than 55% of U.S. adults say they've either gotten a dose or want one, up from 34% in December.
I think that the COVID vaccine is extremely safe. It was thoroughly evaluated, whether it's Moderna or any other, including when J&J comes out. And although it did come out fairly rapidly, we've had so many advances in vaccine development over the last decade, but in particular over the last year.
The DOH did not tell us today how it plans to roll out the so-called J&J vaccine this week, but it has been talking about mobile clinics going to rural parts of New Mexico, since this new vaccine is a single dose and can also be kept in a standard refrigerator. Back to you.
All right, Chris, thank you. About 22% of people say they will only get vaccinated if they have to for work, school, or for an activity, or say they won't get vaccinated no matter what.
About 33,000 more vaccines were given over the weekend. That brings us to about 590,000 shots in arms. About 379,000 of those are first doses. That's about 18% of the state.